Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this sub-series we are learning about the master pages. In the last video we got introduced to master pages. Now in this video we will look into creating the master page in Visual Studio 2017. Alright, let us configure master pages and we will go to the demo. Alright, now we are in Visual Studio. We will create a new project. So under web, we are picking ASP.NET web application. So here we are choosing temp2 folder for our web application and naming the project as ASP16 navigation and look. So here we will go ahead with the empty web project and click OK here. So when we go to Solution Explorer, we can see all the files added by Visual Studio. Here we will create a new folder. We will name it as Master Pages. Next, right click on Master Pages and choose Add New Item. So here in the list, if you see, previously we created a web form many times. Now we will create a web form with okay, this is child content page. We should choose web forms master page. We will name it as layout page. Right, so this is the name we are giving to our master page, and we will click add. And if you see, the master page is added inside the master pages folder which we created. And if you look at the directive here, the directive is @master. So usually when you add a page or web form, that time you will see page here. Now the directive says that the ASP.NET page directive says that it's a master page by this keyword master. And in the master, if you see inside the master, we have two content placeholder. One content placeholder is inside the head section of the page, and another content placeholder is inside the body. Inside the body we have a form, and inside the form there is a div tag, and we have one more content placeholder. The header section content placeholder is named as head. Here we have content placeholder 1. Let me switch to design view, and if you see, this is how our master page looks at this moment. Alright, we will go back to source page again. So we will place our cursor inside the body tag, and we will choose table, insert table, and I will choose 3 rows and 2 columns. Rest we will accept the default, and we'll click OK here. Now we have table. Let's go to source view and see where the table is inserted. So the table is inserted below the form. Here is our table. So for now we will remove the form, and we don't want this content placeholder also. We will add it when needed. Now our body contains only the table, and if you see, it has 3 rows. So here I'm choosing Ctrl Z. Instead of adding the content placeholder ourselves, we will just cut this form. Previously we deleted, right? Using Ctrl plus Z button, we got back this form. I'm cutting this and placing it in the second row's first cell. Okay, we added our content placeholder inside the first cell of the second row, and you can see that it is highlighted. The first row contains 3 cells and 2 cells. Alright, so here we added our content placeholder, and you can see that content placeholder 1 is highlighted here. Now let's switch back to the design view. At present we have 2 cells for first row and 2 cells in the bottom row, right? So we will use this as a header. For that, we selected both the cell, right click here, modify, and do merge cell. Now there is only one cell here. Second row we have 2 cells. Here again select. This we will use it for a footer and choose modify, merge cells. Let's set width of the table as 600 or 700 pixel. So this is our table, right? Here we can specify so this will come as a CSS style, so we will go as a style, width 600 pixel. So that's all here. We specified the size as well. And now if you look at, there is a first row and we merged it, and that's why you are seeing a call span of 2. The same goes for the footer side, third row. And in the second row, we still have one cell free, and in one cell we are having a content placeholder. Now let's design a header image. So you can read the size here. Okay, let it be 600 by 100. Now we will just place a text here. Before that, if we want, we can fill it with a color and then add a text. So that's all. We will save this. Header banner. It's in C drive temp2, right? We will copy this and under the Solution Explorer we will create one more folder and we will name it as images. Then right click and choose paste. So we already copied it here and we pasted that in the respective folder. So here we are having the header banner. Now we have the content placeholder, right? We highlighted that, or we will go to the first cell, that's the header, right? So this is the header part, and for now we will collapse it and we will expand the toolbox, drag and drop an image control. So here if you see, we are dropping a HTML or a ASP.NET element to hold the image. We'll go to properties and choose the image URL property and assign the header banner image here. Now our master page header contains the image. Next we will add a label control in the master page. We'll go to properties and here we will set some font. That's enough. And we go to text. So here we arranged the footer as well, and just by center. So that's all. We have our label also. We placed that as a footer of master page. Now let's review the master page. If we go to design, you can see that in the top portion, the header portion, we have a header text, and here we have the footer text, and this is the placeholder for all the child pages. There is one cell empty. We will design something here. So in the next video, we will use the bulleted list that will act as a side menu. That's all here in this video. For now, we designed our master page. The master page contains a banner in the header and informative text or a web link. Not even web link, some footer text here. Then we have a content placeholder control at one location. That means here we used the table structure, but people usually go with the CSS style with the layout option, and they will arrange the master page. So that's the usual scenario, but here for simplicity reason we used the table control. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.